day indeed. This is Team Spice Dana official, the baddest team in Uganda, East Africa, and Africa at large. I'm out of words today because these people you're seeing right here have done really a wonderful job in making sure that we have an event like this one. We thank you. We first of all thank Manager Roger. We thank Manager Roger for everything he does for this team. We have a good connection with him. We are so proud of him. Thank you so much, Manager Roger. Zent, and then and the rest of the team. And then our brother.
I'm so delighted to be speaking in front of you, Eva. I'm really happy to have you today because sometimes we make things and we are not aware if you're turning up. But I'm really proud that you turned up and in the right time. My name is Abebaziza. That is what I use on social media. And I am a professional journalist, but I am a news reporter. And I work with KCCA as a supervisor public health. When it comes to Team Spice Diana, I'm the vice chairperson, and I'm really happy. I want to take this opportunity to thank every member that put in whatever you put to make this function a delightful function. Secondly, I'm sorry, it is not my speech, but let me say these words. Maybe I will not get a chance to say it. I want to thank the cabinet members. I want to mention that you all did a lot for what we have done today. I'm really so thankful. Happy birthday, Spice Diana, in advance.
Assalamu alaikum. Ismail, Chief Mobilizer to Spice Diana. Spice I love you so much.
Otherwise, it's okay that Dalo Kwebaza, Yogiza. So that Dalo Kwebaza, every Spice gadget, Aliwana. Gasine and Dula Diva. Guno Mukolo, Tabuli and Gabati, the Zaba and Bibala Zebaba Koleda. Guno Mukolo, Trina VIP ordinary. Then I didn't follow ordinary. We are so proud. The ordinary Jetuli Ansonga. Ordinary Badi Nachitundu. Imagine. Ordinary is a Bumitano, Movivulu, no Mutuara. Fair ordinary and Fiena Chitu. Can you imagine VIP Badi? To my VIP people, if you're a proud VIP member. VIP for recognition. Totia. I thank a lot these people. Ruansonga. VIP chatuyambye nnyo diva. Chatuyambye in a way that mutwabadde tusobola tuuka n'emitwalo gyaffe emitono. Bano abantu bapushinze mu ngeri ey'enjawulo. So that is why tubayita ba VIP baffe. Okay, you can get seated. Thank you so much for the job well done. And then to all the ordinaries, mwendi nange kennyini, twekubira engalo ez'amaanyi. Baordinary, tweyongere engalo. Thank you so much, Banai. Amanya gange nze Hamozia we Spice Gadget, the spokesperson of Team Spice Diana. Many people think I'm the chairperson, but I'm not. Just to work a month, but in another kamaba. oyo y'omu ku bakama bange, then n'omulala chairperson ataliiwo. I thank so much the cabinet olw'emirimu emirungi gye bakoze okuva eri gye nabagambye mu promotion wa music, then events okwattendinga, and then this party. They have really done a lot. Thank you so much, cabinet members. Keep up the spirit. And then to Spice Gadgets, we don't take your work for granted. Buli kye mukola, we appreciate so much. Thank you so much. Mwebale buli kye muteekamu. Positive, nyongera okuloopera. This is not the only team we have. Wabula olw'omukolo guno twasazeewo ekintu kikola mu ngeri ya VIP ennyo. Ne tugamba nti for this occasion, let's not just entertain numbers. We have a lot of numbers. Era ogenda balaba mu waaka w'okushinga concert. But for today, twagambye, let's get these people bajje at least babeerewo ku lw'abalala. Era abalala gye bali ku mitimbagano balaba ebigenda mu maaso. N'ebifaananyi tubibawa n'ebyokulya tugamba baweereza mu bifaananyi. Inshallah. Yawali waliwo ekirabo kyekisookera ddala. Yimiriro kyetegereze bulungi. Waliwo ekirabo kyekyo. Ekyo ekirabo twakikoze lwa nsonga twanyweza tetuyinza okukolera kyotakwatangako seriously nga tetukiraba. Ne tugamba let's just commit ourselves to making sure that this concert inshallah. Era ekyo ekirabo kikyo n'oba ogenda tusaba abatambudde naabo bakizingeko ogende nakyo. Freedom Manyanga Cricket Oval. Freedom zidi twagiyisa bubi kati ekyandi ku mutwe kati Cricket Oval nayo tugenda gibamba. That's no tugenda gibamba. So ekyo ekirabo kikyo diva, that is our joint gift for you. Nayenga buli omu ali wano sena alina ekyokukuwa ng'ekirabo. Otherwise, without wasting any of the time, abakoze ku byokulya byaffe ndowooza this is the right time to get us served. Wetuva mu byokulya and then tugenda kuba tudda ku keeki olw'obudde, tusale keeki, ojja tuwa speech then tusale keeki, then bwe tunaamala ekyo ate awo tujja kufuna ku bufaananyi awo then
I requested njogere kati kubanga but I'll just say a few things. Olw'obudde ate yasinga bimalayo banange mwebale nnyo. This is so big. Today is 12th. My birthday is on the 23rd this very month, and you guys have been celebrating me every year, but I didn't expect something like this. I didn't expect it, and because I had a meeting, singana wadde tigedde n'agyambaddeko n'ettuka because I'm sure you guys knew I have a flight tomorrow, and I might be back later after my birthday. I am still celebrating it. Kama mwebaza nti I have people like you kubanga kumwegumiddeko nnyo bagumiddeko bwemba temukimanyi today should know that webande waka ndowooza ku bantu nga mmwe era it keeps me going every day of my life even when I want to give up. I know I have people that love me deeply. Nga tebalina kye bansuubiramu, siyina kye mbasasula, naye ne munjagala. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala. You're my family. And one thing I know, I always come to you guys. Nawe bagambye nti bagumirako nnyo. Nga sinneerowoozaako nange mbalowoozaako nnyo. Because of small things like this. To me, this is not small. Era Mukama mwebaza, I have a the best team. Kelly Mutwaina team with. Let me brag about that, but example. But I have the best fans team when it comes to everything. Mutsoso waza, wala wana batulabideko that you know. Otudamu Team Spice Dana Boda Boda. We started like a joke. This gentleman, so come we talk about the king. Omanya batwaine ekifaananyi ekirala kuba tabavuga boda boda. But to me, balabanga baganda bange, balabanga family, kuba mubo mubamu abantu abalungi. Sabaami abo bakola ttiimu yaabwe bantu bangi nnyo abantu batakuwa lwaiza obutajjaawo naye banjagadde kyemukola kyekimu kyebakolera ndi musanyufu nti Hamos you thought about them being around mwebalina mwebali kwerekereza. I understand mwena abali wano you have your own issues naye nemwerekereza akasente wamusina kyenabuze byekimuzaani gwebakolera omukola omuti nga stadium yadde ekikumi and it's classy. I love every bit of it. Mwebali teekamu kyonna kyemutaddemu obudde bwammwe kyekikulu mwebali nnyo okwerekereza akasente bambi mwebali nnyo and I'll never take that for granted. Because no welcoming abapya between I see some new faces and I'm happy that our team is growing every day. There will be someone else and they chose to join us. Bambi mwebali nnyo. Era nsaba you guys feel at home. I want you to be proud of the team. Kuba kimu omuntu okuba nga atwegasseko n'agenda. Tulina kwegattako, tulina kutoolako. So, nsaba Mukama abambuyize okubeera nga mukolagana with everyone. N'okwebaza ababaddewo. I have guys that have been with me for over emyaka 5 kyangu, right? This team ebaddewo emyaka mingi. Naye okusigaza omuntu for over 4 or 5 years is not easy. Abamu bakuze bafumbiddwa bazadde n'abaana abali Team Spice Diana. It is a blessing, you know. Kitegeeza nti it's not just a team, it's family. Family ye muntu goba naye mubine bulungi mwaka ku mwaka. Kati birthday twice celebrating her last year at my home. And I'm happy to see the same faces come and celebrate me today. And I want to see you guys again next year. I'll come out one and more other 10 years. Never tried the watch at the one. That would be my wish. So, mwebali nnyo kubeera ababaddewo. Mwebali ddala si kyangu because bangi bazze ne bagenda. Mumpeere Hamos engalo ez'enjawulo guys. I'll tell you why. Personally, I've given up kibayitako fans team because mubamu ebintu bingi. We deal with different people abajja otwegattako mu ssanyu naye olumu nebivaamu nga si birungi. Naye Hamos yangamba Spice, don't worry, let's build this kubanga tetugakitwalanga just fans team to building a family. Nze ne mulaga mpeddemu amaanyi naye Hamos yangamba we can do it era ochallenginze nnyo. Tuli mu myaka nga Hamos atwala Team Spice Diana and most of you guys nozamuze ne musangawo with some other faces. Timanyi nti basobodde kubaawo but we are still with them. Hamos, thank you so much. Sijja kwebaza mukazi kufa kubanga togenda kufa naye let me take this opportunity to thank you for the work you've done. Ntwala obudde nga siwuliza ku Hamos. I don't remember the last time I talked to you but everything is moving. You guys are okay. As in, I know at the back of my mind I have Team Spice Diana is the best feeling because he does a lot of work with you guys. It's okay that mwebale kuma discipline. Siwulirangako omuntu yenna ali mu Team Spice Diana yenyigidde mu bizibu oba mu kumenya amateeka. Bambi mwebale mwakubireko mu ngalo zammwe. Because as you go out there you represent me. Era obasanga omuntu yenna alina kyakoze bagamba we wa Team Spice Diana nange kiba kyaffectinga, but you've kept the discipline. Mwebali nnyo, mwebali ddala. Our cabinet, you guys, thank you, you've done a great job. Era tiimu etaliimu bakulembeze, yeah, it's so hard to grow, but we have the best cabinet. Buchanga tubanizi cabinet mu Team Spice Dada. I know everything that goes mu team muno kiba kitambula. I get to know nice. Emyaka egiyise esatu sifunangako yadde any problem with you guys. Bambi mwebali nnyo, mwebali ddala. Good speech, but Saturday is deputy. But you should know I'm very happy. Maziga, because normally when I'm happy, I always cry. But I'm very, very happy. Thank you for celebrating me. Thank you so much. And may you know, my happiness is okulaba omwana ali mu Team Spice Diana n'ezaamu ne musika n'omwaka ogwokubiri ng'ali bulungi, ng'ali healthy. This beautiful lady here, but then I am how many years? Like 4 years, yeah? But she has grown with the team. That's what we call family. She has a beautiful daughter right now. Naye achali nafe. It makes me so happy. Omwami Ojo, fashion designer. He's been with us for so many years. Era bufaananyi ndowooza buli Facebook nga muto, but he has grown and I'm happy that we are growing together. Tukula ffenna mu myaka temanyi n'akasente abamu keyongedde. I met this lady in Masaka so many years ago, and I've been seeing her continue her face. She's doing well. The spirit, it is so beyond. It's more than just the love. It's just the love for family, not just Spice Diana and Mommy. Abebaziza artist, but as your sister, as your friend. See me as your friend, see me as your sister. I take you as my family. From today that you should know. You guys are my family. Thank you for loving me. I can say so much, but I think for today, I will end it there. Not to forget our big day, which is 13th January. So, you guys, Njagogera, on behalf of the so many gadgets in the world, Ramon representing them. You saw what happened at Freedom City, right? Emiryango Jaggala sawa 10 abantu hafu Freedom City baddayo ewakanga tebalabye show, but of course Mama so so I felt so bad for Charlie Chitono, though it's a big venue there. The same thing Chitwakola, I want us to have the same vibe in January. I'm preparing so much for you guys. I want to get the best for you guys. Obereye waka kukazigwa yona gy'oli nga muli owulira amaanyi kubanga oli Spice Gadget. Yeah? First of all, we are trendsetters. So njagala tukole the best show ever. Era ekyo kyomukindikire. And I have other surprises for you guys. Ate mumukulembera. I think when the time comes, you will see that happen. For now, but I'm very happy. Nobody knew. By the way, this is so beautiful. You know, we have a stand. So I'm glad I have such a rich family. Nobody could muteekamu ssente kifo bwe tuli kya bbeeyi bulijjo siyingirawo kyawo koma wabweru, but I'm happy to be here. ate nga mwe mundeseewo nga bali muteekamu. Alright, so you guys are gonna join me sing with me this song. By the way, the mega hit atamanyi sekeredde because it's a mega hit. So yatolina bakiwolabeyo siniregula yatala wala bakwefasa siniregula yatolina bakuranireyo siniregula era bagambe bamanye tispaistaza siniregula yatolina bakimolabeyo siniregula yatala wala bakwefasa siniregula yatolina bakuranireyo siniregula era bagambe bamanye tispaistaza siniregula. Thank you guys. I love you. That you should know. My name is Mutima, and I'll never take you for granted. Thank you so much for this special love. Thank you.
Okay. Masubire tubaina apambe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Happy birthday, Zima. Happy birthday.